Machiegni kendo nyako Ramogi jwang' wadhi mbele kod weche manyien mag ang'ich welo. Migao mar omenda osingo omenda maromo bilion 1.73 e bajet mabalang' midhi chwal ne migao mar thieth. Omenda ni migao no dhi chiwo kaka hola ne counties mar chulo lakteche. Kaluwore kod jagoro mongirore e migao mar thieth Mary Muthoni, owacho ni omenda ni biro konyo counties e geng'o ng'ikruok chenro mag thieth kaluwore kod ng'anyo jochiw thieth. Omenda ni lakteche mamedo somgi bende biro yudo sir kokalo e agulu no.
I want to report confidently that we have budgets for the interns this year, and we will be paying where there is no contention. And I believe we are not going to have any contention. So the interns that are in the field who have been working for months on end will be paid, and we are processing their payments so that we are able to move away from that again. And we also promised to give a conditional grant to the counties, 3.5 billion shillings, conditional grant to the counties, and already 1.75 has been demarcated, and Treasury has already written to us confirming that during supplementary 2 we will be able to give the basic salary arrears as a conditional grant to the counties so that they may pay their staff. That was one other thing that we had already agreed. And more so the payment of postgraduate studies, and especially where there was no contention, the lists were provided to the ministry and they were paid for to the universities where they are studying.